the K.I.S.S strategy you should know about. For those who don't know, the K.I.S.S stands for Keep It Simple, Stupid. So, if we are all trying to make every other thing in our everyday life simple, why would we make our trading complicated with crazy, expensive strategies that have too many moving parts? Successful traders always keep it simple and under control, focused on their goal and risk. We would like to thank you for taking the time to watch the videos that we have put together for you today. Take a look and subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Instagram, our Facebook page, and reach out if you have additional questions. We would love to hear from you. Check out our website for more information. Go to www.optiontradersnetwork.com. Thanks so much.